Yo, what's up everyone? This is Ryan with Ryan's Video Stuff, and today I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your own
Flip O Rama!
Here are the things you need: one pencil and one piece of paper. Now we're all set. Let's go! First, you fold the paper in half like this. Good, right? Next, you're gonna open up the page. Then, you can draw whatever you want. Like from Captain Underpants or Super Dapper Baby or Ook and Glug Kung from Kevin from the future or either Dogman. Whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna draw Dogman doing something. Like jumping. Now you are gonna trace it underneath, but if you can't see it underneath, hold it up to a sunny window, much like George and Harold said that. And trace it if you wish. This tracing is going to be long, so I'll be right back, guys. For the front cover, I drew Dogman in a new position. Soon you can head on to more exciting Flip O Ramas like punch, kicks, jumps, and many more. And that's how you make your own Flip O Rama. Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Pinnacle walk when I hat cock it, got a fat knock from that rat profit. Made a living and a killing off it. Ever since Bill Clinton was still in office.